Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have pepper steak, mashed potato with macaroni and cheese and broccoli on the side.
That's right. But first, before we go any further, appreciate everyone that said get well, First Lady. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
First Lady's back. You know what I'm saying? But not a full 100. You know what time it is already. You know, but I appreciate everybody that, you know what I'm saying?
Thank you guys so much. We definitely do appreciate it.
So we're back.
I will tell you guys about my surgery on another video. Right now, we're gonna dig in for a little bit, and then we're just gonna just talk about catch up, chit chat, and just talk about what's been going on. I am still in recovery, but you know, 2 weeks in, I'm able to
do a little thing.
Do a little thing.
Yeah.
Do the things that I need to do.
Not like that. Do a little thing. You know.
That surgery and stuff. That thing.
Surgery stop, Mario.
First
surgery stop.
Alright.
First thing, you got that pepper steak going. Family, you know, I don't know why I put that on there first. You know, I should have put on it.
What?
No, barbecue sauce. But look at this. Look, yeah, but and I put the pepper on this. The steak is already pepper. But look at this scrumptiousness. Let me give you some, because I've been gone for a while. And don't tell me I don't like it like that. Here, I'm gonna give it. It's hot. I'm not gonna let it cool. Y'all gotta make it cool for yourself, you know what I'm saying? Get that. Yeah, make it cool. Alright. This is what I'm drinking, family. Happy Monday to y'all. Did you ever drink this before? Let me know. You know what I'm saying? What we miss.
What you guys been up to?
Hold on, First Lady.
For real?
Before we start, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe right there, right now. Stop and just subscribe right there.
No, don't hesitate.
Don't hesitate. Just subscribe right now and join the family. If you're new and you're bush watching, join the family right now. Come on now. We back now. Let's go. All right, First, what you gonna say now?
So, this macaroni and cheese is quick macaroni.
Nothing quick on here. Good macaroni.
I didn't say it tastes bad. I said it's quick.
Okay.
You gotta be able to do something quick, mind you. Sometimes you just have to just throw it together. That's what I did.
Yeah.
It came out good though.
Always come out good. Brilliant. Yeah, I can see that. Look at that. Nice and soft and tender.
It is.
Alright, now we can talk. So what's up? Really? Oh no, come on now. We've been gone now. We don't know about that. You tell us now. Oh yeah.
That's good.
Let's have a chat. All fun and joke aside. Family, real talk. What is this world coming to? I know y'all seeing it. We all seen it. My condolence, and me and First Lady condolence goes out to everybody. You know what I'm saying? That was in that tragedy. You know what I'm saying? In Texas.
Those parents.
Those parents. Those poor little kids. Family, come on now. All that gotta stop. What?
Excuse me.
In your right mind. It make you think of doing something like that. If you think of that, just might as well go kill yourself. Why you harm some other people?
I don't even know you.
I don't even know you.
Just doing their regular stuff.
Doing their regular stuff.
In class, minding their business. Or in the grocery store.
Elementary
minding
school?
Their business. Yep.
What, second, third, fourth graders? And oh my God, come on now. That was sad, family. When we saw that on the news, we were like, what the hell?
I cried because, let me tell you something.
That joint hurt.
And every time I see it or I hear about it, it's like it really breaks my heart because
then you hear more pieces of it.
As a mom, I can only imagine what another mother is going through.
Oh my God.
And I'm not trying to say that fathers of the kids are not going through this well. That's not what I'm saying. I'm speaking from a mom's point of view.
Right.
It's different. Because you're the one who carried that child for 9 months. You know, whatever the air you breathe, that child breathed. Whatever you ate, that child ate. So that baby was a part of you. So it's totally different. You know, it's like
that was tough.
And then to find out that they waited 40 minutes to even go inside.
Yep. What y'all think about that? Come on now, family.
If you think about it, you could just be in the nail salon.
You're not safe nowhere.
Getting your nails done. I mean, you could just be walking to your car.
Yep.
You know, you're minding your business.
Mind your business.
You wake up that day and you say, I'm going to go to the grocery store, and you never come back.
Never come back.
Or you send your child to school and you never see them again. One parent actually had just left the school because they had a ceremony for the kids. An award ceremony. So it was probably like 15 minutes later when she found out. And she just left that school. And she was saying to herself, I should have just taken him home with me. I should have just taken, because you know when a child have an award ceremony, you take them home. But I guess it was too early. If it was like 12, 1 o'clock, she probably would have taken the child home, but it was earlier. And it's
crazy.
It's devastating. It's unbelievable.
That
it's
went
horrific.
Hard.
It's horrific. And no parent should go through that.
Nope, for real.
No one should go through
No
that.
one.
But what did the kids do to you? What?
Oh my God. Even his grandmother. I don't know. You're not safe nowhere. Nowhere. That's what you said. Anything could happen.
But
But
they said that he killed his grandmother.
She dead now? I thought she just got. I know she dead. She dead.
He shot his grandmother. After that, he took her car, tried to escape, and wrecked her car. And the police was in a shootout with him. And it just so happens that the elementary school was
right there.
Right, it was right there.
But why you have to go in and do that though?
I don't know. And afterwards, they're saying because they knew that he went into the school, immediately they should have went after him.
Exactly.
It shouldn't have taken 40 minutes.
Exactly.
Okay? It just shouldn't have. You're following a suspect. You should have went in there.
After him.
This is 2022. I know you guys have technology. Okay? Where you can... Whatever. And then, we don't know how true this is. So I'm going to say allegedly. But we don't know this. But I did hear on the... I did hear that some of the police officers that were there, they made sure that their kids got out of that school.
Wow.
Allegedly.
Allegedly. Okay.
So.
Know what I'm saying? Now let's chat. Leave your comments in the comment section and what you know what I'm saying?
So. Our kid's school, our daughter's school, because our son, he's finished school. But our daughter, her school is like Fort Knox. And I remember my daughter saying, Mommy, I feel like I'm in prison there. And I was like, And she came to me and she was like, I'm glad that my school is the way they are. You know what I mean? You don't know what you have until you have it, right?
Yeah.
You cannot, absolutely not open a door in her school without the alarm going off. You cannot. Okay? I went there to go because remember, like I told you guys, I had surgery. So our son wasn't here. He was in New York. So my sister was watching my daughter for a couple of days. So I showed her where the school is. Show her how to get around. You know what I mean? Where to go to pick her up, to drop her off. Just make it easier, you know? We wasn't there for like 30 seconds when the police, the sheriff came over and was like, yeah, what are you doing? I was like, oh, my daughter goes to this school. He's like, okay. Why are you driving around? And I said, no, I just showed my sister how to get around the school so she's not lost when she's dropping off my daughter or picking her up. I'm telling you, 30 seconds. He said, yeah, I saw you guys on the camera. I had to come out here and see what was going on. So stuff like that.
Yep.
It's crazy. And even though the school is so secured, things can happen because it can be something as simple as, you know, the school is secure, but once they get out, who knows who's standing there?
Exactly, you're right. You're right. But then again, these police is brave enough to go in when it's time to go at it. Because that's the second thing like that. See? But that was just sad though, family, you know?
Yeah.
Very sad.
Very, very sad.
School was just about to be done too.
Yeah.
Now everybody got to go more in their family, their kids are finna roll it.
These kids was excited for
school to be finished.
Summer.
Yeah.
Going to the beach, the pool, visit their grandmother, go on vacation. You know? Just nah. I don't know what to say. It's like,
it's crazy.
Did you guys see Steve Kerr?
Yep. The reaction to it.
The reaction, how upset he was.
For real.
He said this is one of the things that most Americans agree on. 90%. I don't know how accurate that number is because I didn't research it, but he said 90% of Americans want stronger laws for gun control. Meaning you can't just buy a gun. No 18-year-old should have a... What kind of gun was it? No 18-year-old should have a gun like that.
Family, I don't have a clue. But again, that was crazy though. That was sad. What's the a month after the other shooting, the grocery shooting in the supermarket with the other people them? Yeah. It's crazy. But let's see what y'all guys say about it. You know what I'm saying, family? You know? Comment down and let us know.
Again, this is why sometimes we pick and we choose what we talk about. Because it's sad. And this happened, you know, a few days ago. What, almost a week ago? It wasn't that long ago.
No, it wasn't.
It was like less than a week ago.
Yeah, less than a week ago.
Probably like 4 or 5 days.
Yeah.
It's
yeah. Tough.
It's rough out there.
Rough. Send your kid them out to school, you don't even know what's going on. So what? Is the best thing want to keep them home?
Shit. Even that.
Well,
guys, protect yourself. If you can, get a concealed weapon. Okay? And no one should be able to buy a gun without a concealed weapon license. No one.
They should make it like that. Yeah.
And you have to go through extensive, you know, to see how your mental state is. Now, of course, some people can really like, you know, make you think that they're not. You know, they're really good at playing it off. But, you know, it's gonna really weed out them. And it's just in the United States that this is happening. This is not happening in no other country. It's just the United States.
Yep. Yep.
Full.
You full?
Mm-hmm. I got a lot.
Yeah, I have a lot of food too.
I love pepper steak with mashed potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
And every time I say I'm going to make it with rice, I never do.
This is the bussin' right here. The mashed potato and the macaroni and cheese, man.
I thought you said I gave you too much food.
You didn't give me enough. Mm-hmm.
You guys just protect yourself, okay?
For real.
Protect yourself.
You gotta protect your family.
As best as you can.
As you can. For real. It's sad, yo. Remember the one that happened over there in Florida, Parkland?
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Yeah. And Parkland's not too far from us.
Not too far from my family.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
For the parents out there, our condolences. It's gonna be hard. You will never be the same. I know that. But if you have, and imagine you your child, that happening to your child, and you have other kids that you have to take care of now.
It's gonna be rough. Imagine what they're going through. Those kids is babies. Babies.
How? What kind of sick person do you have to be to stand there and just shoot kids? Just shoot them, honey. It's not as if he was shooting other people and the kids running away.
He barricaded
the whole
class and just start shooting.
And just shoot them?
Yeah. Some sick people out there. Very sick.
Alright, guys.
Sick. First lady done.
We're sorry for the heaviness when we come back, but we had to talk about it because it just weighed on our hearts. So
we appreciate y'all.
You have to get ready today?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know, I'm eating food. Excuse me. This was delicious.
Yeah, we ate everything.
Appreciate this meal.
Hey Nick, we looking bad over here in the streets.
No.
We can't get money.
No, man, we can't get money. We belly can't hold.
All right.
We eat what our stomach could hold, right, family? Copy that. Okay. What I got for y'all beautiful people today. Again, we appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. You know what I'm saying? For everybody that's new. You know what I'm saying? Get to know us. You know what I'm saying? Join the team. You know, join the family. You know what I'm saying? What I got for y'all today. All right, first lady. Family. All right. Your mind is a magnet. If you think of blessing, you attract blessings. If you think of problems, you attract problems. Always cultivate good thoughts and always remain positive and optimistic.
Wow.
We get what we think, so think positive. Life will be automatically positive. It's long, I'm not going to say it again, but y'all said it slow and y'all can understand me, right? Again, if you're new, you like that one, First Lady?
It was good.
I am Richie, and this is Shanice, aka First Lady. And again, appreciate everybody that said get well, First Lady.
Thank you, guys.
All right?
Thank you, guys.
So, what you got to say, First Lady?
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course. Bye. Bye.